The birdies have finally found the bird feeder. Yay! I don't know if you can see it. Let's play a game. Let's see how many birds visit the bird feeder in the next few minutes while I'm talking. Mostly what we've been getting is a crap ton of sparrows, which makes sense because there's a crap ton of sparrows around here. It was actually the first animal to find the bird feeder was a fat squirrel. Imagine that. So that took the fat squirrel about 3 days or so to find the bird feeder. And after he found it, then 1 or 2 little sparrows would come by. And now, like, everybody knows about it. We get a bunch of sparrows. I've seen a couple cardinals. I think I saw a finch, but the sparrows seemed to chase it away. And there's a bunch of bird seed at the bottom of it because the sparrows, for some reason, decide to, like, kick seeds out all over the place. I don't know why they do that. But, anyway, so there's bird seed at the bottom. They've been bringing it over to the porch for some reason. I don't know why, but apparently the porch is a great place to eat the bird seed. And, yeah. It's rained several times, and I was really worried that the rain would make the corn all wet and mushy, and I don't know, maybe make it start to grow mold or something. Although the bird feeder that I got has a mesh bottom, so it says that it prevents that by letting the rain fall through. But apparently the rain makes the corn better, because after the rain has been through, all the birds are wanting to eat at the corn feeder. And of course, I haven't seen any come here right now while we're talking, but we've had quite a few. There's a few out there on Yoshi right now. They'll probably swing by. But anyway, so yeah, we got birds at a bird feeder finally. I was beginning to wonder if they were ever going to show up. And yeah, I'm a little sad that nobody's come by right now while I've been talking. Anyway, whatevs. It's morning. I'm drinking my morning coffee. Black coffee. Anyway, so, yep. Birds at a bird feeder, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye!